Hey guys, Miles here with Custom Checkout Extensions. Today we're basically just going to go over again the rich text field, but now we're actually going to edit stuff. So I basically just copy and pasted straight from the screen over here, paste it into here, and now we're basically good to go. So if we wanted to edit this text here, we could change the value over here so that we're within that text object. So if I wanted to say something like, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And then in terms of changing this value, so text size, let's say I wanted this to be really small. I could do extra small, copy that, and in the text size, I would literally just paste that value, and now it goes really small. Same thing here. If I want it left align, I can just hit start. You can play around and move this around. And if I don't want it all, if it's at the beginning, it doesn't need a comma before it, but anything that essentially, if you have something that comes after a first object, you need a comma. So in this case, I can delete this, get rid of that. Now I have the bold field. Bold field is the same way. It's literally just bold. Yeah, there's not much to go over here. It's just that's how this object is. Italic, same thing. And again, I would probably just copy and paste this and then take out what you don't need. So let's say we only want the bold. So I'm going to take out this italic. Again, I'm going to leave that comma there. And then let's say the link, I wanted to put my website. Now, the thing with the link is that when you use this link option, it can only be left aligned. If you want it centered, actually what you're going to do, and so I'm going to just show you here, I'm going to copy this with the comma, and I'm actually going to paste it up here as this. It doesn't really matter the order. You can mix and match this entire thing. So now the button is after the bold. And if I want this to be centered for the button, instead of end here, I can type center as you see over here. But on this kind over here, it's this kind of blue color. If I change this to be secondary, you'll see that now it has this white background. And if I change it to be plain, you'll see that now it just looks like a link. So that is a way to basically center align a link. In terms of if you want to make this like a customer support button, essentially the website that you're going to, you would basically just set it up to be kind of like a contact us page and automatically prompt whatever pop-up you have on that page. Unfortunately, you can't have the chat right on this page, but you can at least prompt it to open up a new window to get chat, which is nice. So that's the button field. Again, for the value in that field, so I'm going to change this back to primary. So now I got the button. I can say like contact us now. And then for the link, same thing. It's just Google, but realistically, I can put whatever website I want here. For the list, just going over this again, it's a bulleted list. If I want it to be a numbered list, I go here, it says number. So I'm going to replace this word bullet with the word number. And now I see numbers next to the side. And for the bullets, if I erase what's in this bullets value right there, I'm going to exit out of it and I'm just going to start typing. So now I'm on 1 because it's number. Remember, if I want to go to the next bullet, I have to type ampersand, ampersand, ampersand. Now I'm on the second bullet, so on and so forth. And that seems to be it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@customcheckoutextensions.com. I'd be happy to set this up for you as well, making sure it looks exactly as you want with the tools and the fields that are provided. But really, best of luck. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.